Friends, we in this video we make the exercise 29. The name is for. First of all, we starting from this arrow direction and make this square and remove this material throughout. Then after make these circular features. So first of all, we start from this side. So draw this square 80 plus 20 100 120 by height is not given, so calculate 55 plus half of this one radius is, so half of this 80 40, so 95. Height is given 95, so draw the select this sketch front plane, draw the rectangle, give the dimension. This one is 120, half of the 120, and height is given 95 mm. Select here coincide with this edge. Now draw the another rectangle. To remove this areas, this rectangle dimension is given 80 mm and from this is 50 mm. So take into center, use this 80 mm. From this center line 40 mm, and from this edge 50 mm. Cut this line and make it close. Finish this one. Now select this one, extrude, select extrude, select mid plane and extrude 80 mm. This one is 80 mm. Finish. Select view. Okay. Now make this radius 40 mm radius. Open. Select round. Select this edge with the help of control. Enter here amount of the radius 40 mm. Okay. Now make this two hole. The center of this from this edge 55 mm. The hole diameter is 30 mm and make it throughout. Select sketch. Select this face. Okay. Select circle. Give the whole dimension diameter 30 mm. From the top edge 55 mm and select coincide, take into center. Finish. Select the extrude opposite direction, remove the material and select throughout. Okay. Now make these circular features. The outer diameter is Measure diameter is 80 mm, inner diameter is 60 mm, and extrude up to 20 mm. Select sketch, select this face, select circle, select coincide, select this center, enter the diameter 80 mm, ok, select extrude 20 mm, ok. Now this one is a 60 mm diameter and step 50 mm. Select sketch, select the top face, circle, 60 mm diameter, select coincide, select this edge, finish, extrude 50 mm, opposite direction, ok. Now make this hole throughout. The hole diameter is 30 mm. Select sketch, select this face, select circle, 30 mm diameter, select coincide, take into center, ok. Select extrude opposite direction, select through hole, ok. Now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching these videos.